If you're looking to embed a signature form on your website, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to easily add a signature form to your site. Stick around because I've got an exclusive offer for you that'll make the whole process even easier. The first step is to choose the right software. There are a lot of options out there, but after testing several of the most popular ones, I found the best tool for the job. The software we'll be using today is simple to integrate and doesn't require advanced technical skills. You can follow along by checking out the link in the description below for a free trial, available exclusively for viewers of this channel. Now, let's dive into the process. Once you've signed up for our software, log into your account and create a new signature form. You'll typically see an option to either create a new form from scratch or use a template. Templates are a great way to get started fast, so select one that fits your needs. Next, customize the form. Add fields like the signer's name, email, and of course the signature field. Most software will let you drag and drop these elements to design your form. Make sure to double check the layout so it's user-friendly. This will help your visitors complete the form without any issues. Once the form is customized, the next step is embedding it on your website. To do this, the software will provide an embed code, usually in HTML format. Copy this code. Don't worry if you don't know what HTML is. Just trust me on this one. Now, go to your website's backend. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, you'll want to navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear. In the editor, switch to the HTML view, paste the code, and save or update the page. If you're using a website builder, there's usually an option to add custom HTML, where you can paste the embed code. Once that's done, preview the page on your site. You should see the form in place, ready for visitors to sign. Test it out to make sure everything works as expected. If everything looks good, you're all set. The key takeaway from this video is that embedding a signature form is simpler than it seems. With the right software, customizing and embedding the form takes just a few steps. Make sure you choose software that's easy to integrate and offers the customization options you need. And don't forget, you can get an exclusive free trial for the software we use today by clicking the link in the description below. To recap, choose your software, create and customize your form, then paste the embed code onto your website. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description.